Welcome to my channel. Netgear EX8000 Setup. Netgear EX8000 Setup, Manual Method. Set up the hardware of your Nighthawk device. It includes connecting it to the router and powering it up. Now, pay attention to your computer and load your favorite internet browser. The browser and computer must be updated. Go to the URL bar, type the default web address of your EX8000 range extender, and press the Enter key. You will soon cross paths with the admin page of your Nighthawk wireless extender, Netgear Extender login window. Here, input the default codes of your wireless device into their respective fields and click Log in to proceed. The basic home screen will be the next window welcoming you with a few prompts. Walk through those prompts. Netgear EX8000 Setup through Nighthawk app. Make arrangements as you did in the previous setup method. Yes, we are talking about the power supply and the EX8000 extender router connection. Launch the app and create your Netgear account by filling in the required information. To be specific, your email ID and password. The next step is to input the default values of the EX8000 password and username. So, look for the respective fields and enter them. Tap the Login button to reach the final stage, i.e. the dashboard of your Netgear Nighthawk wireless device. Give a shot at the instructions appearing on your mobile device to give a final touch to the installation of your extender.